Hey garden friends, happy Tuesday. So I'm out here in my garden playing with this cute little kitty planter. And this little kitty is a chef. It's got a little apron there and it says cooking. And the little apron even wraps all the way around to a little bow there. And it's got a little spoon in its paw, so it's ready to get cooking. And it's got a drainage hole. Oh, when I find cute pots like this one with a drainage hole, I feel like I've hit the jackpot. So I was definitely winning that day that I found this cute little kitty planter. And I'll show you the plant. I've got here a Crassula Tom Thumb, and it is a dwarf Crassula or a miniature succulent. And look at all those stems that it's got there. There's probably about 25 stems in this cluster, and I'll try to get a little closer, see if it'll zoom in. Oh, good. And you can see the leaves, they're like little triangles. And if you give it enough light, the margins on the little leaves here will turn bright red. So all of these leaves here will be red on the edges. It is such a dramatic show when it's stressed, and it'll usually happen like in the summer, and it'll bloom from like spring through summer as well, and it'll grow from the center of its little, like the tops here, little heads will grow a long flower stalk, and it'll bloom tiny white flowers. Such a cute little plant to have in your garden, and it's a lime green. Oh, and this is a healthy one. The cute little healthy root system there. It's kind of dry, but it's okay. So I'll get right to it, and I'll be very careful with that plant. And I'll bring my little planter here, and I'll fill it with soil about halfway. Let me bring my soil here. So about halfway there, I'll stop right about halfway, and let's see if it'll focus here on the soil there. I'll grab my plant, and I'll gently make sure that it's right in the center there, and I'll fill it up with the plant already in there, and I'll start in the back here. Move this around over here, and make sure that that root ball is completely buried under there. Got to do the front part right over here. Be very gentle to not break the little columns there, because they are pretty fragile. This is a beautiful plant to put in a hanging planter, a small one, because you know the plant will remain small, but the stems will get super long and they'll start to like trail over, so it'll look beautiful in a hanging planter. Maybe I should try that for next time. All right, now that I have it nice and settled in there, oh, it's a little dirty, but you can kind of see what it's becoming here. It looks like it's hair, like it's got a fancy hairdo. How cute. So let me get some of the soil out of the way, and I'll adjust the plant just a little bit, just a little more towards the front here. And I know you can't see that side, well, the front side. I'll press down on that soil there, and now I'll go for the stones. I've got the stones here, and they're all pretty small. And I'll start in the back here, and gently press down on them as I go. Ooh. It is so cute. So simple, right? But hey, I needed to come out here and make something. All right. Perfect. And this little pot, it'll eventually start growing wild, or a little more wild than what it is now. How cute. Okay, I'm still not satisfied on how this plant is falling into this, to the front there, but I think I fixed it. I wanted it towards the front there. There we go. I think I did it there. And I'll add more stones to this little hole here. And I'm sorry that you can't see exactly what I'm doing here. But now, this is practically done. Just gonna brush it a little here. Gonna clean it off with my little brush. Try not to lose the little stones here. I'm gonna turn it around. And brush it all the way around. How cute. Now brush the plant just so gently here. Oh, look at that. The stones are completely falling, but I want you to kind of see how cute it is. Look at that. And now that I'll put the stones all the way in there. It completely fell when I tilted it. But I want you to see all the way around. So cute. This is the garden therapy that I needed. For sure. Look at that. So simple, so fun, and I'm really messing up here. I'm just trying to show you. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this short video. And until next time, thank you, garden friends. Bye.